All right, here we go with some pop, pop, pop. What I mean by that is that's how I've been editing audiobooks. So if you'll see here, I'm in the Reaper program, and I can show you how. This is my niece doing her book, but I wanted to show you how I'm doing her edits. So what I did was have her, she makes a mistake, and then after the mistake, she says pop, 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 and you'll see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You'll see how that pops up. And then I can see it and I can edit it. So I can open up here. So there's her book in Readsy, and I can see what it's supposed to be. You can do it my way, your way. You may even pick little snippets, right? So I can check there, but here I can also just listen.
You can do it my way or your way. You can pop, pop, pop. You may even pick little snippets out of.
Okay, so she messed up here. She says
You can
even or something, whereas it's supposed to be
you may even pick.
You may even pick. So all I need to do, if I can zoom in a little more, is get rid of this to pop, 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 and then there. So now I just delete that. It squeezes it together. Now, so it should be, you can do it my way, your way, and even pick little snippets, right? So I start here.
You can do it my way or your way. You may even pick little snippets out of my way and create your own way. So what is my way? My way involves an eye mask. Most people wouldn't think this. Pop, pop, pop. Most people would.
So pretty simple, right? So most people, then she messes up, I think she said wouldn't or something. So I get rid of mistake and I get rid of pop, pop, pop. Boom, gone. So now it's
an eye mask.
An eye mask.
Most people wouldn't think.
Okay, so I can come back just to double mask. Most people. There we go. All right, so that's it. So I can double check. Most people with eye mask. Most people wouldn't think.
My way involves an eye mask. Most people wouldn't think of this solution right off the bat.
That's it. So and you'll see there's more. So I just go in, I delete the error, I delete the pop, 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 and I make sure it starts where she was supposed to start. That's it. That's the pop, pop, pop method. And what I really like about it is that you don't need to re-record. As the narrator, I mean, it's my niece, right? She's 17. She's not going to back up the program and re-edit and stuff, and it's just complicated. So I just want her to be able to keep going, and I can come back and edit. So we have one audio file, and I just chop it up. And then, of course, with here, you'll see it's chopped up, but it fades in and out of the silence, and so you don't get big clunky chops or something like that. All right, there's my pop, pop, pop method. I'm using Reaper, but I'm sure this is possible with any audio editing program. And that's one way to make it really easy on the narrator if you're editing their stuff and they're like 17. All right, that's good.